Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing the unboxing and installation of a bumper, the rear bumper this time. Let me show you the rear bumper of the back of the Ram truck. So we're going to remove it and we're going to install a new hook road bumper. Right, we got a bunch of little parts and accessory stuff here to add on there too. We're getting some extra special help today. First things first, we're going to do some unboxing here. Open up this box. Out it goes. Chunk that and let's look inside. Still some good styrofoam in here kind of protecting it. It's taped, bagged, pretty secure. Probably could use a little more here like on top. Alright, here's everything out of the box. Got the front bumper, left, right, hardware, and shackles. Great thing about these LED lights is that they're already installed. You don't have to mess with them being installed. Even the license plate light itself is already in here. Also comes with 2 license plate holes and inventory list with instructions on the back. Instructions are pretty detailed. Not bad, it even comes with a little link too. Alright, so you got to put these bolts in a certain way. Make sure it's the bolt, the lock nut, and the washer. You're going to put it through the hole to combine both pieces. And then put the lug on the inside, the nut, but put a washer on the inside too. Just like that. You can do the same thing on the other side. So 19 or 3/4 something. Just tighten up both sides.
Is that light or?
Alright, now we gotta take this bumper off.
So this one here.
Yeah. So this just clips from the back, pops out this way. We remove that.
Right here, go ahead and
Unplug the lights. So unplug everything as much as possible from underneath. Alright, so we just pinch this side here, one on each, and it pops right out. Now that it's popped out, we can unplug it. Okay, so this just pops right out. You can do the back end there and just push this back inside there. Out of the way. These are just 15 millimeters and they just come right off. Got 2 of these. Now what are the bolts we have? We got 2 bolts here, one up there. Or actually, let's see.
yeah, you got.
Just 2 on each side, that's it?
Yeah, you got the 2 bolts here, and then 2 bolts on that side, right?
Oh.
And then on this side is where the sensors. So I removed the sensors.
Yeah.
So
You already unplugged them?
I unplugged them.
All of them. The whole line is unplugged.
No, I was thinking about unplugging them once we have it on the table on the ground.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
So I just unplug it from the assembly.
Okay. And then the
light for the it just twist and pull out. Yeah,
got it. These are already removed. Okay, so we're ready to. These are 15 also. We're ready for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just lined it up, and one thing we got to make sure is there's a pin right here. This pin needs to line up straight right in the middle. It kind of holds it in place. I think we had this one kind of off a little bit, so it was kind of moving around.
Yeah.
All right, 2 bolts are installed, lined up. Do make sure those little nipples are straight in because it does help. Pretty good. Okay, so this is the original bumper. You can see how the brackets all line up. So it really is just these 2 that come out, these 2 that come out, and then the 2 on that side, and that's it. Right? Then you do unplug the light here. This is the license plate light, one on the other side, and these are the plug for all the sensors. Nice. Okay. I was worried about that. Make sure it actually fits well.
Yeah.
It does. Perfect.
Wow. Yep.
Alright guys, so this is a trailer plug right here. It's a pin trailer plug, and this diagram right here tells you where everything is. So by looking at the diagram, you can tell that the middle pin is the reverse, and then ground is the thick black one.
So, and then the slot right here actually helps you determine what angle is the
Slots on top. Yep.
Yep.
Slots on top.
So it splice here.
So color, if you want to know the color, it's white with red line and the thick black one. So you run the black to black over here, or sorry, black to black and red to red. Red to the white and red. Right, and then when you put it in reverse, the light will automatically turn on. You put it in park, lights turn off. Okay, everything's installed. Nothing's like set. We're just barely connected. But go ahead and put it in reverse. Boom. So it's connected correctly. Okay, it lights up really well. So a little bit of heat. You can use a heat gun. You can use a lighter. And then wrap these things up. Same thing on that side. So we ended up doing like red, male, black, female, and then the other side is backwards, obviously, right? So it plugs in correctly. All right, so we got the license plate light connected. Both of these lights connected again to the specific pin there. We spliced it to this light and then spliced halfway to this light here. And that's pretty much it. Everything's done. The only other thing we have to add is the D brackets. And then next time we're going to do the sensors. The parking sensors, and we're going to add one here on the we're going to add one here on the edge, and we're going to add one probably around here, or maybe here, around here. Same thing on this side, make it symmetrical. We got to fix that right there too. That's messed up. Right, shackle on. Now the other shackle, this is a good tip, pro tip, so it don't get stolen that easily. Tighten it up really well. Boom. Okay, go ahead and reverse. Go ahead, because it's not turning off. Just go ahead. Wow. Look at that. It's daylight. It's like daylight out here. It's nice. Okay, from the inside, let's see reverse. It's instant. Yeah, look at that. Look how bright everything is. Reverse again. Look at that. Super bright. Alright guys, here's the website, hookeroad.com. Check them out. They have tons of products, not just bumpers, and for all makes and models. Highly satisfied with these bumpers. Great style, great build, good quality. So this is the bumper we installed on the truck. Check out the link in the description of this video.